Hey, good morning, chemistry class. Got a really quick video, just welcome and hello, and um, go to the course for the day today, and just show you what we're doing, what we got planned for you. So, in the course for the day today, if I can get there without covering something up. Sorry. There we go. So I'm going to go to the course for the day today, which you're probably already there, obviously, and just show you. Basically, it's just a review day today, or time for you to review. There's a quiz of the day. I'll start with that. That's explained here. So review, study for Monday's quiz. Make sure you read the Chapter 2 packet. Here's the quiz of the day. And work time and study for the quiz. Nothing too alarming or too shocking, nothing you didn't know about. But make sure your Chapter 2 packet is ready to submit on Monday. And also you could be submitting your drip drop lab. I did grade the ones that were submitted, and there's maybe half to a third of you, maybe a little over half of you probably submitted. So get that done, and you can be working on that. You can be working on this quiz. You can be working on making sure all the pages that have been assigned in the Chapter 2 packet are ready to go. All that stuff. So, all right. Thanks. Have a good weekend. Later.